It is a great satisfaction to greet you again. I hope you and your pet are well. Today we will talk about the following: loss of appetite in dogs, 7 most common reasons. Did your dog stop eating despite the fact that he finished with the food bowl before? Now, there are many reasons why a dog loses its appetite. These causes can range from bad behavior to serious health problems. Loss of appetite in dogs is also known as anorexia or inappetence. However, anorexia in dogs is different from how it occurs in humans. Canine anorexia can be complete or partial. If they eat some kind of food but not enough, it is called partial anorexia. Whatever the type, anorexia can be detrimental to your well-being and health. When he doesn't eat anything at all, it's called complete canine anorexia. 1. Medical reasons or conditions. Several medical conditions can cause your dog to lose his appetite, and they are as follows: stomach ache, problems with teeth, tongue, or gums, poisoning, tumors, allergies, parasites, depression, neurological diseases, infection, complications with internal organs such as the heart, liver, kidneys, and lungs, pain, recent vaccination. In such cases, visit the vet as soon as possible. 2. Why doesn't my dog eat his food? Environmental and behavioral reasons. When it comes to behavioral reasons, there can be many reasons, with separation anxiety being one of the main ones. It could be that your dog is used to receiving a lot of scraps and treats from the table. Perhaps he likes to eat alone or eats when someone else is in the room. He is used to being hand-fed. The most prominent environmental reasons are travel or a recent move. It may also be that they are not eating due to the absence of another pet or a family member. Issues like weather changes, changes in regular eating schedule, and recent stressful events become major reasons behind the condition. Sometimes they may also refuse to eat from a new dish. You need to understand the factors that lead to all your habits and environmental changes. Dental diseases. Poor oral hygiene and canine dental diseases. Your dog may not want to eat anything when something in his mouth causes pain. In such cases, you should have them checked for the following: loose or broken tooth, severe gingivitis, oral tumor. Apart from these, you have conditions like tooth root abscess, a medical condition below the gum line which is therefore not easily seen or detected. Food problems. In some cases, the food itself could be the problem. It occurs when the food is presented in such a condition: old food, expired food, hard food, ruined food. If your dog has been on the same diet for a long time and has always eaten it, look at the expiration date on the can or bag where you serve it. The drugs. Medicines against ticks and fleas. Have you recently started giving your dog any medication? In that case, such a regimen or medication could upset your stomach. You may not feel like eating when you are being treated for an illness. Some medications can make your dog nauseous and can also give him stomach aches from the antibiotics. A simple case of lack of thirst and hunger. There are certain occasions when your dog may not feel thirsty or hungry. It could be something as simple as that. In that case, you should show signs within 24 hours of not wanting to eat the first time. It may not be a sign of any disease, so you should not worry. If he is thirsty, he should drink at least once in a period of 12 to 14 hours. Tips that can help your dog to increase his appetite. If your dog hasn't eaten in a few days, he should receive subcutaneous or intravenous therapy to provide him with necessary electrolytes and keep him hydrated. Once the vet has identified why your dog is not eating, he will begin to treat it accordingly. It could include oral medications, surgery, dental procedures, or a combination of any of these. What to do if he drinks water but does not eat? If this is the case, it is very likely that he is suffering from dental pain or some other type of pain in his mouth. Therefore, it is difficult for him to chew the kibble. In such cases, you should take him to the vet who will be able to suggest and perform some tests like stool, urine, and blood samples. You may be wondering why your dog won't eat if he refuses his food. Even in such cases, you should not force him to eat. You should know that dogs can go more than 24 hours without eating and not have any serious repercussions as a result. However, since not eating could indicate an underlying condition, it's a good idea to contact your vet in these cases. It is a pleasure to inform you and help you. If you have not subscribed to the channel, you should do it now. Take care of yourself and your furry friend. A hug, and until the next video.